I scored this Gateway laptop at Salvation Army today for $10. It's a 15-inch, 15.4-inch screen. It's a dual core Core 2 Duo. I don't have a power cord for it though, but he wanted $12.99. I talked him down $10 on this thing. Here's the power right here. I gotta find a power cord that'll fit it. It's got a DVD-ROM. So it looks like it's got dual front speakers on the front here. It's got it looks like audio and headphone jacks. It looks like an SD card here. And it's got a few USBs. I think these are USBs here. This might be the RJ45. It don't look too bad for $10. I can't get it running yet. The screen ain't in too bad shape. It says something about widescreen right there. The model number is I'm gonna go over this thing tomorrow better. Model number MA3, if that means anything to you. I'll make another video later on about it. I'm gonna go in here and see if I got a hard drive, see if I got any RAM. All right.